Speed at the counter keeps your customers happy. In this video, you will learn shortcuts for faster selling. Shortcuts let you serve customers without reaching for the mouse. Press F1 to start a brand new sale. Press F2 to select a customer for the sale. Press F3 to jump straight to the product search. Press F10 to go to checkout. Press Enter to confirm and complete the payment. Press Backspace to remove the last item you added. Press Escape to clear the whole cart and start again. Press Ctrl and K to open the built-in calculator. Press Ctrl and S to start your shift. Hold Ctrl and press 1 through 8 for quick services. These open Easy Load, Cash In, and other services fast. With practice, your hands learn these without thinking. Every second saved adds up across a busy day. There is also an in-app shortcut guide. Open it anytime to see the full list. Keep it handy while you are still learning. In the next video, we will cover subscriptions and plans.